Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how much does it cost to sell on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So type here shopify.com/pricing. To sell on Shopify, you have to create and store on Shopify. So if you want to create a store on Shopify, then you can start a 14 days free trial, and here you will get 3 packages. Basic packages start from $29 per month, and Shopify packages start from $79 per month, and the advanced package start from $299 per month. And if you want to see all the information about these 3 packages, then click on show plan features, and here you'll get all the information about these 3 packages. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.